Unlock a treasure trove of developer tools and resources completely free at the GitHub Student Developer Pack and supercharge your learning journey. First, head over to Education Github Pack and let's break down the eligibility requirements. You'll need to be currently enrolled in a degree or diploma granting course of study, have a verifiable school email address, and a GitHub account. Make sure your GitHub profile has your real name and a profile picture to speed up the verification process. Now, click on Get the Pack to begin the application. You'll be prompted to sign into your GitHub account, and on the next screen, you'll need to confirm that you meet all the eligibility requirements. Select Student and fill out the form with your school email, the name of your educational institution, and a brief explanation of how you plan to use the developer pack for your studies and projects. Carefully review your application and hit Submit. GitHub will then verify your information, which usually takes a few days. Once approved, you'll receive an email and your GitHub account will be automatically granted access to the developer pack benefits. Explore the awesome collection of free software, cloud services, and learning resources available to you.